him, and this is the reason that he's been taking care of that. And the women, you can see
This
now,
is
women
nice.
are also coming on that ghat and they are taking bath. This is the only reason. And he's been a very profound saint since about 25 years now. We know him.
So long.
He goes to Kumbh Mela, that is the biggest fest, religious
Jain.
fest in the world. Yes, now in
Jain.
Jain,
Jain,
absolutely.
yeah.
That's the complete one. This is the half one. This is
Yeah,
the sixth.
yeah.
Every sixth year it's coming on 2016 now. So now on 2020 it will be full Kumbh Mela in Haridwar.
Ah,
No,
2020.
2000 नहीं, not 2020. 2010 में था ना. 2022.
22.
Every 12
22.
years.
12 years.
2022 will be the full Kumbh Mela in Haridwar.
This
And
will be-
Haridwar is the biggest place after Allahabad where the Mela is held, and about 125 different sects of sadhus, they come and they take bath in the
Wow.
Ganges. The main are Niranjani Akhada. He's from Niranjani Akhada. This is the biggest and the richest Akhada in the world. Niranjani. He's from Niranjani Akhada.
Wow, so it's really
But Niranjani Akhada is also not helping him.
that's bad.
Why? Because he has taken his place on the banks of river Ganges. He take the oath of Ganga and he stood there and he made Shivalinga, which was ordered. You can see that
Yes.
Shivalinga there. It was ordered by few people of like me. We paid 5,600 rupees for that Shivalinga. From Chennai, we landed to his place there. And then on that particular place itself, he used to sleep without any shed.
Nothing.
After 1.5 years, we made that gufa by the permission of the Akhada.
Ah,
We
so
took permission from Akhada.
you
and
were
then-
able to do it.
Yes. Then they tell us that okay, you can now he can sit under the gufa. But before 1.5 years, he was sitting alone. I mean, he was just open.
Open air.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. No,
That's
nothing.
incredible. That's
And
really
he
incredible.
never
It's
wears
really
anything.
amazing.
He only
doesn't
eats.
ask.
Yeah, he only eats phal. You can say rice sometimes if it is possible. And he's been an inspiration for youth, especially.
Really, really.
You know, this is a place.
Because there are also false one, fake one. I mean,
Absolutely. Fake ones are
Kim,
also
fake
there.
ones.
They only run
Varanasi.
for money, but he's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
running for money. If you
No.
pay him money, he won't ask you.
No, he didn't
He's
ask
different.
anything.
He's
He didn't
different.
ask
He's
anything.
different, man. We know him, no? We know him for the past 6 years now. And since 25 years he's been living here. Our parents used to say his age is about 45, I guess. 44 he is right now.
Wow.
And the best thing is, you know, many youths, like if you have rivers, many youth,
Yeah.
maybe any person who's having depression, you know, they come to Ganga and they, you know,
Yeah,
swim
yeah.
away. They die. But he is the one who is stopping many of them.
That's
Many
great.
of them
That's
he
great.
has saved. Many people he has saved. Their lives he has saved. Because they came to the temple, and when
Look at
they
me.
came to
They
the
say,
temple,
"Look
they
at me."
came inside.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. He asked them to come inside. And then he gave them the lesson of living and asking them and telling them what is the reason of a human life. He has saved many people. That is his credibility for humanity.
Did you write his name,
Yeah.
please? Because this is really a beautiful story,
Beautiful
and
story.
we
No,
would
it's
like
really
to,
true.
you know, to remember it, and it's something that's really like. We came here in India for this kind of stories. This is
really-
India.
Absolutely. This is true. But the best thing is, you know what?
What?
He's been working for the river Ganga. That is very important step that he's taking. And his gufa name is Ganesh Gufa.
Ganesh Gufa.
So 6 years.
And he's a Naga sadhu. And you know what very important thing I should tell you? He has taken an oath the day when this whole Ganga from Haridwar till Devaprayag will be out of pollution, then only he will change his place from here. Because he's been getting Many people are coming in and asking me, sir, Baba, come to our place. We will make an ashram. You will live there. We will make rooms there. You can stay comfortably. But he's not going. He's
No?
saying, no. Once the Ganga is clean from Haridwar till Devaprayag, which is the mission of our Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji. Narendra Modi ji has initiated the Nav Nirman Ganga plan, which is the meaning of that particular initiation is Namami Gange.
Namami
It's called
Gange.
Namami Gange project. The project is government has issued 300 crores rupees from Allahabad till Gangotri, where the Ganga is coming from.
Yeah.
They will clean all the
Oh.
routes. Step by step they are coming up. But he has taken the oath from Haridwar till Devaprayag. Once the Ganga is clean out of pollution and there will be no sewerage going under, no plastic, nothing, then only he will shift to a place where he wants. Otherwise he will stay here.
Stay
he
there.
will die here only. That's the best thing that he has
I believe
done.
he will do it.
Yeah,
I believe.
absolutely. We all people are with him. Why not? We'll do it. Definitely.
That's why you say that also youth people is.
Yes, we want, because we know this is not just a river, this is a goddess for us.
Yes,
But
it
you
is.
know what, many initiatives have been taken. In this Kumbh Mela, if you will see, there will be a free yoga camp for 9 days from today is 14th, na? From 14th of January till 22nd of January, free yoga camp for anybody
Anybody.
in Bairagi camp.
Anybody can go there and
Anybody
make a
can
yoga
go
camp.
and learn yoga, and they can do the classes, no fees, nothing. They will give
Wow.
food for you as well. They're taking it for 9 days. Maybe they can extend it to 1 month or 2 months, depending on the
Depending
people, who are coming.
yeah.
Yes, then they will increase it.
Yeah.
And there are some people from Italy, from US, from Australia who
incredible.
are volunteers there. So they are volunteering this thing. And the best thing, yes,
Very
they are
good.
volunteering this thing. And the best thing is like the only purpose of this Ganga, goddess Ganga, is like we Hindus, we are the only people who are making this Ganga polluted.
That's right.
We are offering polythene, we are offering flowers, we are offering that glow tubes and everything
Yeah.
into it, like we are praying her. But this is not the way. We now, educated youth of India, we have understood that this is a river, this is a goddess, but it's a river
It's a
also.
river.
It's
It's
feeding
between-
everyone.
Yeah.
The water is getting feeded up. It is used for irrigation. It is used for birds, for animals,
Yeah,
for
it's
people.
life.
They're
It's
drinking
li-
it.
it's real
life.
life.
Yes.
It's real life.
And fishes are there as well. So we
Yeah,
are
so it's
taking
food
it
also, yeah.
absolutely. So we are taking it as a mission now. Not only our Hinduism should be,
For everyone.
Yes, it's
Everyone
for
must
everyone.
understand that.
So now we people are taking initiatives, and what we are doing is our college group. I'm in college. I'm doing MBA right now, and what we people are doing, we are maintaining few students every few week, every Friday and
Yes.
Saturday. We'll be doing the camps there, free of cost camps near the Ganga bridges.
That's interesting.
These bridges, and we will teach people, the local
That's nice.
people first of all.
Yeah, because
then-
you have to teach for the young people, of course.
Absolutely.
Yes.
For the local people first,
Yeah.
and then we will teach for the other people. as
Other
well,
people
for
and
the
then-
larger group.
Yeah, yeah.
That we should not offer anything. If you want to offer, you can take a piece of paper and you can put flower outside the river.
Yes, yes.
You can
true.
touch them and you can then put it outside.
That's true.
Then only it's accepted.
Yes.
You should not throw anything inside. You can take the flower and you can take it back on the paper and you can put it, and then the next day the cleaner would come and he'll take it into the dustbin and it will be deposed.
True.
This
true.
is the way. What we are.
This is the
small,
way,
small
really.
initiatives
This
we
is
are
the
doing
way.
it. Yes,
This is
small
the way to-
initiatives
to-
we are doing it. But people like him, we need people like him, especially sadhu like him, who can come and who can teach us and who can tell us and make set up
Give
as an
faith.
example, so that people could understand. Because this is a beautiful place.
It is. It is.
Very
This is the
beautiful.
second time for us
अच्छा?
here in India. Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
yes.
बहुत अच्छी बात। आपका आप लोग प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर हैं?
Yeah, I'm professional. Yeah. Yes. yes.
And you are
Here in
working somewhere?
No,
Yes,
yeah,
I'm
I'm
a
working,
great
but
passion.
great passion, yes. All right. Thanks for the info. That was
Oh,
really.
my pleasure, sir. My pleasure. I'm very happy. Welcome you to Haridwar and welcome you to our country.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for coming. Keep coming and keep awareing people.
Always.
Take snapshots of India which shows
The real.
a
the
bad
real,
side
yes.
of India as well. Don't take good side of India. Take the bad side and put it on the media
To let
so
the
that
people
Narendra
understand.
Modi,
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah, yeah.
The Prime
We
Minister,
took- we
the
took
Prime
those.
Minister should understand
Yes.
because he is the man who can change this India. He has
Yes.
some guts.
Yes.
I can tell you this thing very clearly. I'm not from a party, but Narendra Modi has
the power to
guts.
do it. Oh,
Absolutely, he will do
I
it.
wish you all the best for that.
Thank you.
Really, from my heart.
Keep
because-
clicking photos of bad India and good India.
Yes.
Both.
Yes.
So
Be
that
sure, be
people
sure.
of India should know. They should realize now it's high time. You know what? Our scientists said after 36 years, Ganga would be vanished.
Oh,
After 36 years from now, if the pollution rate is going this way in Gangotri, because the glaciers are actually declining very fastly.
yeah, very,
Yeah.
Very fast, especially the Gangotri glacier, which is the main source of Ganga, the quarter source of Himalaya, and the main source of Ganga. It is declining due to plastic. You know what? The last time when the Kumbh was there in 2010, the government took initiative and they closed Gangotri glacier for visitors.
Oh,
But when the survey was done, it was mentioned out of 100 people, 60% of people were from abroad, out of India. They did not made any pollution there. But 40% people of India, they throw
did.
plastics there. That was ridiculous for us.
it was.
Because
I believe
this is something really ridiculous for us, and I activated on that stuff as well that time in 2010, and we took an initiative. Now the government is now taking the chance to come up. They're taking their initiative, they're taking steps so that Ganga should
I
be
think
clean.
it will take some time, but you will
10 to
you
15
will be able.
years, at
yes,
least 10 years.
Yes.
Because you know
At
our
least,
Hindu
yeah.
religion,
But I see change. However,
Yeah.
I see them. We talked about that a few